Ever get annoyed by those black bars on the side of your YouTube videos? You want that fully immersive cinematic experience on your phone, right? Today I'm going to show you the ultimate YouTube full screen settings for your iPhone, Android, or tablet. Let's dive in. First, let's fix that zoom issue permanently. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Now hit settings by hitting the gear icon. Now scroll down and tap on playback. Look for zoom to fill screen option and toggle it on. Boom. Now every video will automatically zoom to fill your entire screen. Perfect for modern devices that aren't a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. No more wasted space. But what if you just want to do it manually? It's easy. Open any video and tap that little square in the bottom right corner to go full screen. From here you can literally pinch in or pinch out with your fingers to zoom the video to exactly how you want it. You can also just rotate your phone sideways to instantly jump into landscape mode. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe for more.